Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here to give you a heads up on what's going on in Unit 3. Okay, as far as your Unit 2 discussion board is concerned, you should have already turned in your original post for the Friday, July 17th deadline. If you have not done so, please get that in soon. Please get that in as quickly as possible. Very important, because on Tuesday, July 21st, you have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due. Excuse me. And remember, it's important to customize your response to your classmates' post. Okay, just don't leave it as you did a great job. I really enjoyed reading your post. Can't wait to read more from you. Okay, well, that's wonderfully supportive. I want you to tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the questions as in the directions, as seen in directions. Okay, so that's due the 21st. And also your Unit 2 IntelliPath is due Tuesday, July 21st. Now the Unit 3 due dates that you need to be aware of are July 24th, Friday, July 24th, Unit 3 determined knowledge is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, it's incredibly important to complete your determined knowledge by the Friday deadline because doing so allows the IntelliPath system to create the learning path or nodes that will be due on Tuesday. And plus, it cuts down on your workload, so who would not want that? Okay, and then July 28th, Tuesday, July 28th, your Unit 3 IntelliPath is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, so dive into these assignments and let me know if you have absolutely any questions. Good luck and have a great week, everybody.